जलधारण हेतो देवासुर परिपालन भो कूर्माकर शरीर नमो हर भक्तं ते परिपालय मा। Indra, the king of gods, reigned supreme. He was once given the Parijata flower. Thinking little of the gift, he tossed the flower away. The goddess was furious. She was insulted. To disrespect a flower was to insult the goodness of the earth, she said. The goddess dissolved into the ocean of milk and vanished from the world. When she disappeared, the universe began to wither, to shrivel, to lose its luster. A gloom descended upon the world. Her disappearance caused panic in the three worlds. We must bring her back, said the gods. Yes, we must bring her back, said the demons. But how? By churning the ocean of milk, said Vishnu. With the king of mountains as a spindle and Vasuki the serpent as a churning rope, the gods and the demons began churning. But as they churned, the mountain began to sink. Taking the form of the turtle Kurma, Vishnu bore the mountain on his back as he churned the waters. The churn twisted, it turned, the ocean frothed and fumed, waves rolled and spewed in every direction. Eons passed, nothing emerged. But the gods and demons were determined to bring the goddess back and continue to churn the great ocean. ভালো প্রধাইনি তুমি জাগো জাগো তুমি জাগো। প্রণমি বরদ অজলয় তোল প্রণমি বরদ অজলয় তুল বহু বল ধারিণী কুবল মারিণী শরণময়ী চণ্ডিকা শঙ্করী জাগো শরণময়ী চণ্ডিকা শঙ্করী জাগো অসুর বিনাশিনী তুমি জাগো জাগো দুর্গা জাগো জাগো জাগো। Pleased by their efforts, the goddess finally emerged in all her splendor. seated on a dew-drenched lotus, dressed in red silk, bedecked in gold. She was the very embodiment of affluence, of abundance and auspiciousness. Kurma the turtle offered her his bag as a permanent abode. As she rose, life-giving sap began flowing in every direction. The earth palpitated with life. Joy filled the air.